Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janelle. If you are new here, I post 2 videos a week on Wednesdays and Saturdays, so make sure that you subscribe and you join the family. We love all things makeup over here on this channel, so make sure you join along. In today's video, we're going to be testing the Mercier Translucent Loose Satin Powder in the shade Honey. Let me get it out of the packaging for you guys. Alright, this is what the packaging looks like. It's nice and sleek, nice and beautiful, simplistic, but cute. Alright, I haven't tested a Mercier powder ever in life. I don't know why I haven't, but so many people rave about this powder and I wanted to test it today to see if it's something that I really need in my makeup collection. Is the hype about this powder real? Is it necessary? Do I need it? Do we actually need it? So I'm going to be putting this to the test. But first of all, I'm just going to do my base, get my makeup to a certain point, come back and test this powder out for you guys. Alright, so base is finished, concealer is on. For concealer today I went in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. My bronzer is on, contour is on, eyes are done. And let's see what it says about the Mercier powder before I actually go in and I set. The same cult favorite and winner of major awards, Mercier's Best in Beauty Translucent Loose Satin Powder is beloved for its instant blurring effect, 16-hour wear, and iconic soft focus with zero flash back. And actually it says a translucent loose satin powder is sold every 20 seconds and it comes in 3 shades for virtually all skin tones, including dry skin, combination skin, and especially oily skin. Now on the box it says it's a matte finish, there's no flashback, soft focus effect again, and it blurs the look of fine lines and imperfections without looking cakey. Now that sounds all fine and dandy, but am I going to like it? And this powder, by the way, costs $39 on lauramercier.com, so you can pick it up there if you like it. Alright, so as I said, I picked the shade Honey up, and this is what the shade looks like. Hope you can see. Let me bring it a little closer. Alright, so it's a nice, like a banana-y color shade, a yellow shade, a plantain kind of shade. It has like the hint of like a peach undertone to the powder, and I like it because so far, just looking at it, because it's not too yellow. Sometimes I find if a powder is too yellow and I go in and set my under eyes, it's just too yellow, guys. It's just too yellow. But this one is a nice mid-tone, so let's just go in and set. straight away I can tell that this definitely is a mattifying powder, and I love a mattifying powder. I love a matte under eye. There's no scent to the powder, so if you don't like scents in your makeup, that's a plus. Okay, and it's working nicely into the concealer, but I'm going to bake with it so we can see if we can actually bake with this powder as well. I've seen some people baking with it, and I want to test that out for you guys as well. So far, looking at the powder, it's a nice, beautiful yellow shade. It brightens my under eye. It definitely does brighten. And so far, when I went in with that initial set down of the powder, it did indeed blur and smooth out my under eyes. But I'm just going to let that bake for a bit while I put a lip on. And when my lips are finished, I'll come back, dust the actual powder off, and we'll see if she sweeps away flawlessly or if it looks cakey under my eyes. Fingers crossed, it doesn't look cakey at all. So lips are done, so I'm just going to go ahead and go in with a powder brush and just dust that bake away. Alright guys, so that looks beautiful. This is a matte. Definitely, she is a matte girl. This is a matte satin powder. And I'm here for it. I love a matte under eye. I don't like my under eyes to be dewy or anything like that. So I don't have a problem with it. I think, however, if you have dry skin, like really dry skin, you may need to go in with like an eye cream before you go in with your concealer. Something just to put a little moisture in there. It's not uncomfortable. My eyes don't feel tight, like if I can't open them or anything like that. I think the shade Honey is a perfect shade for my complexion. It gives me the right amount of brightness. So guys, I think the hype is real. It is. I am definitely going to be using this in my everyday makeup routine, and when I do more makeup videos, definitely like it. And you can see how smooth my under eyes look. Everything is just nicely set, guys. Let me just finish my under eyes quickly. So I'm going to show you the Huda Beauty Easy Bake setting powder, so you can get an idea of the shade. That is the shade of the Easy Bake. Oops. And That is the shade of the Honey Powder by Laura Mercier. This one is the Laura Mercier. This one is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder. I get on fine with this one as well. I don't find the color is too bright or anything. It blends seamlessly into my face. But just for color comparisons, if you wanted to go a little bit darker, something a little bit more yellow, definitely check out the Laura Mercier Loose Satin Powder in the shade Honey. I like it. I think it's fantastic. My under eyes are blurred. Everything is smooth. It definitely is a matte finish. Alright guys, so I'm going to leave it there today. Make sure that you have a fantastic weekend, whatever you are doing. Hope you have a great start to your week next week and everything is going as you planned and everything is going as you like. I hope you like this very quick video, very quick, nothing too long today. I know the girls are busy, the guys are busy. We're busy people over here making moves. So definitely check out the Laura Mercier powder, the translucent loose powder. I definitely would give it 2 thumbs up. Alright, again the powder is $39. It's available on lauramercier.com and this is my first time testing the powder out, demoing the powder, you know, generally just seeing if I like it. And so far, I definitely do. Alright guys, so make sure you subscribe and you join the family and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!